Thank you. Me pa cho free na ebe.
Me pa cho ka bi ana.
Wo free hin na eba.
Oh, me free boss a room na eba.
Boss room.
Me pa cho.
Eye me kunu room.
Yes.
Ama atadu we ni wa sha brembre mo no fo no tuetue mo ni ko to ne so ntudua me boa.
Madam. Odo mo de na ya o yesa. Na so we de boni bi ene ho.
Jesus.
Ofa mi sa me ya de ma na.
Wo suro na me ho. Wo suro na me mfari na me. E hu so ye be ma wa afo me boa. Madam me, ana o ko da ho. Auntie.
Madam is strong. Me pa cho kasa.
Then me no kasa o be kunu fie sa me kasa mra fam. Me be sa me so ko da wa ma.
Me ko ya de. Na me de America. Me na America. Na me ko ya de.
Ba ya de ma na o ka ye no. Nyansa ma wutirim. So be fa de a e be kata ho asie. Sa kata esia. Ana ba yi hu we e be ka ko kire no.
Oh, madam, me pa cho me no me no pe na kasa wa ha si. Me sure wo bi bi kan wo ni okru en kasa. Me pa cho. Why? Thank you.
Ya ko ko de be wo me. Ya be wo me. Roxanne. Rock. Mr. Rocky. Abaya no be ya de wa ha. Rock.
Uni ya sase wo bolu mo wa.
Me aka sa me so no ma agene yi to ko ta so maka afa so ntimi di ti konkura na nante. Me se ge no be pa de wo dem ha. Be me. O be pa de wo dem ha. As me, wa fa no ho ente se. Na no fa ba ndem chia so de be wura me boss dem. O be pa de wa.
Na wa no aboda ma. Ha? Me ntimi nya ade na ma fra me made so me ya ade ma me no apia. Wo down me be some questions. Era me ni na mood. De ma ye me ho a me de da me ni na mood.
Ya we le se o na be ka bi o ta o. Woni enye wo. Chama ho ntimi. Enye no ma kire wasikafo na. Ti wotimi da na apele on saba na so woni me de kasa. Enye wa wate. Woti a woti hoi. Enti we ye enti na oto che me ka kire me se. Empa ba kwa me no da so no. Ma me da so bi no ho. Me ko guest room go me boa. We ye enti a. Afuru kutu ni ba we. Den to na ba ma ni ba we. We. Ah, o me se sifa. Wa ya ma se ya proso. A jinsem na ye time.
Me no wo fie ha no ade papa ben pa na we ye de ma me. So that say na makofa me se o me ya de ma me no wa pia o dan ma wo point.
Made my ass. What ko fa on plan ba bet na fie ha. E be ka che me say oyo made. Me ho bibia o. Na fie na me be se me fie. Me ho die koso bia na bua. Ana me pese me bua wo. What ma say e? Esa say wo a wo ti hoi. Me na mama wa ye nipa. E wo se me hia wo wo be ma wo ho ofe. De na so me ana na ye ka say oh be me ye ko ne ho ofe ne ho akono a be di na ta akire. Adai de na wo jini biase. E de pa na wo de ye. Che say me hu de me nsa si fam na ye me ya. Se me kom ma me ho. Wo be fa me hu abusu na me firi mu. Ebi wo fia kasa ye de ye ho. Be ye me ya se me ko na makom so wo me. Won sha wo ba ne ma se ne ma se ne esi. E sa matamfo nyame. E sa asa me no ba be ware ne ye tia me. Ye nyame kasa kire no me mfi. Me ma me fra me tena se ka kire me se be ma ne titedwa. Ne hene tentre se alupira ben. A wo nante a wo kunku no. Ma me mfa bi da. Wo ya ma no me ho se de me be do wo. Me no me ho se me do wo. De wo ye yesa me ntimi ye bio. Me kasa me ye bi me tena ye times 10. Nanso me ho ne se me yo ba ware fo.
To kone
Ma ware. Me di no kure. Am wo twe di ampon. Ene be ma me ne netie. Enti wo de ekoso na ye. Ebe boa. Dani duru ho no ma. Ebe hu de tue mu. Me memfiri wo dem hanko. Na chiro apprentice man na obebe wura hakora no. Wo ma ne kwan se wo mra aseme a wo ba ne boss dem. Uhu atade e na ehye no. Uhu dress e wo de ba ha. Ana oso wadu wo furu so. Enne wo ye sika furu nya de da ho. Wo kon shira ye shira me. Na me na mama wo nya sika furu. So wo kon shira me. Na nya me aka sika furu kura wo ni bi.
Ni energy for sound some phone na wa yampia sem na okeka.
Me ma yampia.
Na kuraso won na woni nyanseti. O kasa gba.
Yes. Mini nyansa enti na masho wa man ne wonya sika furu. Mini nyansa enti na masho wa man ne wonya sika furu. Me ba fa wo hu. O yam komti na so wo pass. Wo yam komti no wo so wo 6 pass ye nyan wo. Eso ne wonya sika wo furu ado ado. Ene ne fini sika furu.
Wo na wo yare.
Me yare sa wo yare ni bi. Wo hu sa me yare na abefa me. Iro ho. Na dan duruwa. Se de ka dan duruwa. Ye ni wata de ka dan duruwa. Je se dan duruwa yi na e wo ha ye be be.
Duru ho no matwe. Ejina ba yi ya yampia na be ye fitam fu achira ni. Oba ne ho ne ya bi.
So o ka se yan twa ho ne yan si ya ne ma wa bonte de ba ma na me de me obi kapa. Me si a wo na la sekura wo ni bi. Wo me na me koto oyo ma wa wo de fefa yo fa mu. Menne. Oboje se fu ntu hu ne se obefa oba no wa de ne sabe fa oboje se ma ka hu sa oboje se me na ma ne fu ye na wo ni bi eni etinyi ko na ne de wi tete no me na ndo ko ne akotena wate wo ne echi ama wo eni ohu mu se wo oba ma fa seda ukwa seda te se shira me ankasa shira me na ma ye bi ama wo
ama o kasa
ya me na ma wo ye de wa ye
o kasa na o kasa ma ye di san wa hwe ya de efe be otan
dia metele da yenye bi ni
wa hwe ya de efe be otan
afi de ma bere o me so pe ku me na fa me sha adaka ko me busuafo ena me hu say yes be ma ya ade na de oda wo ye de wonya be ma
ama wo boda mo
de da fi na be so ma boda ma wo mama tinkensen
aya na wo sori anopa na o kono edobro me boa Chese uba na manyo ha ya wo mpeme boa.
Kume.
Fimi dem a.
Okum nya na mebusu afa hu se a me bayi kwa ware wa me bie be ma na kuno. Na ko mudo be jame de wo so ogina.
Ama fimi dem anko. Ama enye ma me nya ogidigidi. Fi anko. Ko ko pota na bi jam be kankansa. Ba hu bi ne ye bie bi se wo be ka kire se.
Me ba hu bi na e ga no tare. Di ona na wo tare.
I'm a boy to your
I see what to buy you and hotel.
I want to
see what to live by your hotel.
I'm a boy to your video. I'm going down in them bro, some no woe in Muno. You're not that far away. And to walk around in John.
I won't want to punish you.
Maybe you want to punish
you. I'm from Mama. Then we are one star and pass.
But I'm doing
it. Yeah, because I want to live so we
what damn?
When you share the faculty,
I didn't make you.
What's the last super?
Since morning. Who should be precious? What kind of child?
Maybe I in business. Business na serve you food or table, so you need to be
That's not fear since morning. I will be crying. I just say, if second be crying, will be quack or your man dinner. I say, no, what's so much show who be all carry us in Germany.
Now, something call me sorry, send me a corner over because I can make a crowd. Something call huh? Me patrol. I mean, copy Jim. Right. Copy some breath, you right.
Sure. Is that what you huh? Hello. Kasaroko. It's your carriage.
Thank you so much.
See, I keep on saying a word from a king, once spoken, never come back unfulfilled. That's what I say. So I got to fulfill what I got to say. You get it? Come here.
Thank you so much. Okay.
Nah, I'm an older coin. I'll say I'm coin.
Oh, okay. My name has to be paid, but Gary, I'm friend of Vision Boy. I don't know.
Vision Boy.
What about some pub day? It's in Osobemaya.
Oh, okay. Awurama village or so. Yeah. Remember now me take care munti flashy mason say we say with the air kwan so. What down for no.
Only for be pay me ba me feel.
Only one thing.
Nyame pay me feel because say wo pen na me no wo ho.
It is what it is.
Nyame adom. Me faithful to you.
Sure. Nyame adom say e call Awurama hon me tena mpese e kodi me nsa.
Mr.
Very, very big restaurant in Waka.
Oh!
You got a food. No more local dishes. Oh, so what you better that to a car near I just want you to be happy. So I say, I love you, dear. Come here.
Okay. Thank you so much for the love, okay? What's in my body? You. I feel so happy. Because and then we had a very happy.
Hey, Mama, put that choice. There is no way say a big jam for that. So I say, one and one the pass your big jam for that. I will never ever do that. So tell me to the WhatsApp.
I continue ko. Hey, boga one. Na ay, Mr. Wafa bag kuntabiama. And what the shop to me?
Me disika ni nyina egu LolliCash account no so.
Oh, you do.
Me be spread mo mamusro. Me be anya afa na me ha me $100 bebre egu me bag mu. Na yakobisa me sesika me de koye den. Ma load ni nyina egu me LolliCash account ni mu.
That's right.
Enti se me ba be di dwuma bia wo hanom a me tua free mu straight.
Hey, baby a LolliCash app nedru no. They just say $1 no egu wallet mu. Enso o twade wa Ghana hanom a. Ense se be cedis.
Sa pepepe. Ti se me kwa brochira me sika ni nyina no me load gu me LolliCash account no so. Abrochira baby a me wo bia no. Ade bia me pe bia me timi to. Na app no a convert sika no akọ country ni sika no so. Na me de adu me dwuma.
Inti America, Canada, and Europe countries na LolliCash app no was no. Sa
app na ngasa be convert akọ say American dollar, say Canadian dollar, say India for sika e bia app no convert mami. Enti transaction is simple kra.
LolliCash app no guy pa. Account na edisika no etemu sa no entetew.
There be LolliCash account there. Ye ntew say there bi no ye no. Ulo dia tumu a bibia ni mu no ne ati bibi kakra. Mi be wie no ma send bi aba mu na me dia kontan so dia akon account mu ama no.
Thank you. Account hold my ink ko ho. Enti obia and download the LolliCash app no e wo Google ana Apple Store. Number start and send sika and mama busua for no na for no e wa mo no ne ba bia LolliCash
24/7 send sika.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll put it in there.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay. Thank you so much for making me happy.
Roxanne. What are my patch and say me no din komo.
Baby, she said you're not making.
By one who say me have a special amusement here.
Many to the cost of banner person me no din komo.
And I'm saying I'm having amusement here, so please meet me have a time no one kasa me patrol.
Please what? Want me have a time name nkasa.
Okay, no want it. Okay, no webubu ndwe egu wasumwa. Nti ama waso na si. Nti want it.
Afa yen hwe nipa na wo kasa.
Madam Brafom, ase wa hukuru be ya ma wapai. Brafom. Why?
Manne ene date shot wo me ni kunu kasa. Wo de wa no fun we betu me bi wote.
Or else?
Or them. What damn? What's that? How dare you?
Jesus Christ.
No.
Stunna, just
How dare you say you so fun no bono? Huh?
Don't say anymore.
No. Obi this year, no to me. Ama, so we pa. Dear myself. Ama, some question na wood no. O some phone na wood na me so na wood mi no. When ya say ama, wo be free fia. Ya say pa. Abi. Debe na dia no dia o. Obi this year.
Obi this year. Only na ka so obi ni kunu ka so obeka na to modern no betuma ye dai.
Wo nyansa.
Debbie, just a rock, one ferry. Who made your so-called maid, no? Won't pen on any more. What's in on Sadia Abome?
Ama, who be one no pass me, pena phone.
Oh, yes, one pen on nothing. I'm not going to tell me.
I'm a bia or Bethia, no more, you know, you'll be mammy. No, you'll be mammy. And besides, one no, if you are. Here, no, if you are, I'm a so okay. So, Kyrie, Yasha ye. One say, ya, over cost 7 feet on. Be careful. Put down myself, so called me. Put it here, the papa now here. Nonsense.
Sheila.
Daddy.
Sheila.
Daddy.
You know I'm not happy.
About what?
Today I'm not fine.
Daddy, talk to me. Whatever is bothering you, spit it out.
How many times now must I catch yourself? That so-called boy, you know. I've told you, say, me person me young one day na me worry. But oh, men girl turns with that boy. I didn't know what my about.
Daddy, can you relax and talk to me? It's like, it's not that say I'm joking around you or I'm playing with you. But the thing is, we've come a long way. And I mean to make us say me could join at this very moment and as such. It takes time. It's just a matter of time.
So what are you saying? What are you saying?
I'm saying just give me time. I'm on it.
I've given you several times. Countless times. Countless.
Daddy, please.
And day and day out you keep on saying, I've told you, I'll give you whatever you want. A car, a house, whatever. And now you can't forget this boy.
I say I'm on it. Right now, no one me bonny be like me now to say me just give me time.
The solution is only one. I'm going to tell you. The solution is only one. And the solution is I'm gonna give you some money that you gave it to that boy. That will be the only solution.
Listen, you have to know love is what that matters, right? Me don't know.
You say what?
I said love is what that
love
matters.
For who?
I'm just making an utterance. I say
for who?
Mr. I'm being real with you. I like the guy. I love him. We've come a long way. You can't just tell me it's a meaning in
So you are playing with Don, eh?
I'm not playing with Don. Don, I love you also.
50-50.
Oh,
is this 60-40 or 50-40?
Can you let me speak, please? With all due respect. I really respect you.
Talk to me.
Aside the relationship,
Talk
I'm not
to
your
me.
mate.
Alright.
So, you give me the maximum respect and I return the same respect to you.
Okay.
You have to respect my decision.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. And I make a choice. I mean, not a long way.
Okay.
It's me break it just like that. What's it mean? Baby Jinaso. Boy, na me nene no. You're very fragile. He's very calm. Oh no, nya dear. Me kwa China.
God.
Me don't so. Because right now,
you keep mute and listen to me. That was the reason why I usually say my solution would be the best.
But
The guy. You talk about the guy. You talked about the guy day in day out. The guy.
I don't talk about the guy. One other guy any issue, but and I don't even mention him. Yeshia is just two of us.
Okay.
It's just two of us.
I want to make you happy. Anything that you ask, I usually give it to you.
Daddy, you are my word now. Everything that you do, I really appreciate you giving me money if I don't ask.
And you are playing too with me and my heart.
Oh my God, Stunna, why are you making things complicated?
Okay.
You know what Kassan was so
Okay.
So you have to also respect my decision.
This will be the last time you're gonna talk about this issue.
Thank you, God. Don't even talk about me when I'm with you. Because
Okay.
this moment in the balance, it's just us.
Okay. So the home, you have to do your homework well.
And you also play your cards because I don't want your wife to find out saying, "Oh, my side girl be my one, will be booming, and so they because social media." I don't like
forget
that.
it. They forget it. They don't. Me, that's small boy. That small boy is what you say. He play me cards and he playing well. Don't go there. Don't go there.
Scared, you know,
leave that thing for me.
Okay.
You ask of 30,000,
Yeah, Daddy.
Okay. That money will be sent to you.
Yeah, I appreciate you. This is a main commission.
Before you go, you have to give me an uppercut style. Uppercut style.
Why?
Yeah,
Because I'm with you.
No.
So you want it?
Yeah.
Yes. Back off.
Yes.
I find myself for you. Into the dark, I followed you. I should have known this ain't the type of shit I'll go through. How did I end up falling for you? I find myself falling for you. Into the dark, I followed you. I should have known this ain't the type of shit I'll go through. How did I